Chair squats. Begin seated at the edge of a chair or bench with your feet placed wider than your hips and your toes pointed slightly out. Raise your arms straight to shoulder level. Breathe in, lean forward, then stand. You will breathe out at the top. Stand tall by squeezing your core, butt, and thighs. Now, to sit down, you want to reach your hips backwards towards the seat while keeping your arms and chest up. Throughout the entire range of motion, you should be pushing your knees and hips out to prevent your knees from caving in. Notice how my knees stay in track with my toes. You can increase the difficulty of the exercise by sitting down but not putting much of your weight onto the seat. Just imagine as if the seat is covered in broken glass. This will promote full body tension and build strength and stability in your squat. The final progression is squatting without the chair. Here, I'm holding my fists out in front of me, with my elbows forward and my chest up. You can hold your arms out straight like you did previously if that is more comfortable for you. Sit down and back as if you are reaching for the seat. Aim to go down to about knee level. If your body can't get there quite yet, that's fine. Work with the range that you can for now.